This short guide will walk you through how to set up notifications in Salesforce. Setting up notifications is an essential task to ensure that you stay informed about important updates and alerts within your Salesforce environment. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or a user, receiving timely notifications can significantly enhance your productivity and responsiveness. So let's dive right in and get your notifications configured just the way you need them. First, you'll want to navigate to the setup area of your Salesforce account. This is essentially the control center for all your Salesforce configurations and customizations. Once you're in setup, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page known as the Quick Find box. It's designed to help you swiftly locate specific settings and features without having to sift through the entire menu. Type notification delivery settings into this Quick Find box, and it should appear in the drop-down list. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the notification delivery settings, you'll see a variety of options for managing how you receive alerts. These are split between desktop and mobile, allowing you to tailor notifications based on how you typically access Salesforce. Under the desktop section, you can configure browser alerts. These notifications will pop up on your screen while you're working on your computer, making sure you don't miss any essential updates, even if you're not actively looking at Salesforce. Similarly, under the mobile section, you can set up app push notifications. These are perfect if you rely on the Salesforce mobile app to stay connected on the go. Take a moment to consider which types of notifications are most crucial for your role. It's important to strike a balance between staying informed and avoiding notification overload, which can quickly become counterproductive. You have the flexibility to check or uncheck the boxes for each notification type according to your preferences. For some, it might be beneficial to enable notifications for critical alerts only, while others might prefer to be notified about a wider range of activities. Once you've made your selections, double-check to ensure that the settings align with your workflow needs. If you're unsure about which notifications to enable, it might be helpful to consult with your team or manager to determine which alerts are most pertinent to your responsibilities. And that's all there is to it. By customizing your notification settings, you're taking a proactive step towards staying on top of your Salesforce activities. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as your needs evolve. This flexibility ensures that you're always in the loop without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With your notifications set up, you're all set to enjoy a more streamlined and efficient Salesforce experience. Keep exploring and optimizing your Salesforce environment to enhance your productivity even further. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips and insights on maximizing your use of Salesforce. See you next time.